Hey sis, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today we're going to be doing a review on this curly bob wig with some highlights in there. Perfect for the spring and the summer, so let's get into it. Okay, so here is the wig in all its glory after it has been co-washed and air dried. I always kind of like let my wigs hang on the doorknob so they kind of dry a little bit upside down, so that's why it looks like that. But this wig is the 1.5 by 4 lace part wig. It has the 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and an elastic band. This wig is 150% density. Unfortunately, it is not big hair friendly. But here's another look at the part, and I just usually put foundation powder on the underside of the part and then a little bit on top. I don't really go into plug or anything like that because initially the part always looks pretty good to me. And yeah, now I'm just going to do a little bit of customizing because like I said, the wig kind of dried a little bit upside down, so I needed it to just drop a little bit more. So I added some water and just played around with it a little bit, cut off some pieces that needed to be cut because I always use a dimming brush when dealing with any type of curly hair. It's just my preference. I like the way it makes the curls look. So sometimes with that you get like little pieces that might be a little bit longer than the other pieces that you just kind of got to trim off a little bit. But yeah, so here I am going in and adding the foundation powder like I told you I would. But I just love this. It's super easy and super quick. If you can't tell, I'm so in love with this overall construction. It's very, very quick and very, very easy, and it looks good. And you get like great hair quality for, you know, an affordable price. So I just really love that. And I think these highlights are really pretty for the spring and for the summer. So it's a win-win for me. And also too, what I love about this is the wig kind of has like tracks on the underside, so that way if the wind blows you don't see tracks or cap or anything, you just kind of see hair. So love that once again. But yeah, I'm just going to show you the back in the next clip, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So also too, I wanted to say this is literally the same exact wig as like the bob that the girls love, except this is a middle part and it has color, but the same exact curl pattern, construction, all of that. Okay, and just like that, the wig is on, it is styled, and it is cute. Like, I love these quick and simple wigs. You just don't understand. I'd like to know if you're living for the highlights. Like, please let me know if you're living for the highlights, if you're living for the luster and the softness. I mean, you can't feel it yet, but when you get it, you're gonna be like, oh, this wig is so soft for it to have been like colored and stuff. Like, it's still luscious and the curls are still popping. Like, girl. Now these lighter blonde pieces got a little bit of damage. You see, like, she ain't really curling like how she need to curl, but that's okay. That's okay. That is okay. Listen, this hair quality, chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. This is the type of wig that you could get a lot of wears out of, and it'll last you a very, very, very long time. For one, it's a human wig, but then for two, it's a shorter wig, and it's curly and it's easy to maintain. This is how the wig looks with no product. I co-washed it and I let it air dry, and I didn't put any product on it, not even any oil. Like, so, oh, look at this big juicy ringlet right here. A big juicy one. That's what that dimming brush do, baby. Oh, that's what I forgot to say too. I always use a dimming brush on my curly wigs. Always. It's a must. You need to do that. It is the 1.5 by 4 inch lace part, which is great for beginners, great for the lazy girls like me. Okay. But I don't know if you can tell, I'm rushing. I'm about to be late for my nail appointment, so I have to go. But if you're interested in the wig, I will leave the direct link down in the description box for you to check it out. Be sure to use the discount code applicable to what you may be ordering. So if you're ordering this wig, you'll use the discount code for hair. So I think it's LuxeHair. So you'll use that for your free shipping. I can't think straight, but I'm pretty sure the code is LuxeHair. And yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop that in the comments and let me know what you thought of the wig and of the video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, okay? And I'll catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, and whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.